Hey guys, welcome to another vlog slash video slash let's just hang out together. And today I have something we all really love on this channel, and that is a handbag unboxing. So I am gonna do that in the middle of the video, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you a few items that I received from Beneunder, and then I'll finish off with a few more Beneunder pieces. But I wanted to do the purse in the middle because we're gonna unbox it together, talk about it a little bit, and see what fits in it and why it fits perfectly with my lifestyle now. So Beneunder, you guys have seen me show you guys their stuff several times on this channel, and it is because I am super active here in Boulder, Colorado. So I'm hiking, skiing, playing pickleball, and so I am literally outside all the time, even in the winter time. So getting this outdoor wear is super convenient, super practical, and super stylish for my lifestyle. So I'm either in workwear or I'm either in like workout wear. So I really like them because they are a company based out of Hong Kong, and most of their items are UV protected and sun protection, cooling, dry wicking, and just very stylish and comfortable for the active lifestyle. They have men and women, and this is actually quite new. I don't think that they had bags in their collection, but you know that this, I love bags, so that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. So very excited. So actually, let me show you what I'm wearing right now, because this is one of the pieces I got, and this is a thin sun layer shirt. And I love it because, of course, it's very thin, and you can put your hands in these pockets, and they're perfect for layering, putting underneath like your jackets, or when you're going hiking. Oh my gosh, I got a foot cramp. Oh my gosh. Guys, I learned how to ride a snow-go bicycle, and basically it's a bicycle that goes down like skiing, but it's a bicycle. So it's a bicycle ski situation, and I did that yesterday, and I don't think I hydrated very well. Anyways, I was so excited. Oh my gosh, I got a cramp. Okay, so I was so excited to wear this before filming this video, so I actually wore it skiing the other day. So I absolutely loved it because it wasn't too cold, and so this is extremely thin. However, I was kind of hot, so I was sweating because when I went skiing it was like 40 degrees, so it was really nice where all my sweat was getting absorbed into this, but I was also like very like covered up from the sun too, because I only skied with this on. So absolutely love this. And so I'll show you one more piece before we go into the unboxing. This one I had to wear again before showing you guys. I like to unbox things with you guys, but I couldn't wait. I had to wear it. So this are sunglasses from, I think this is my third pair from them. Yes, I have a green one I wear all the time and a black one that someone actually stole from my car. But anyways, so yeah, I love this. It's like a tan color, and my favorite thing about it is that it's oversized, so again, it protects you from the sun. It's polarized, it's UV protection, and also it's supposed to be oil resistant and water resistant. So yeah, I'm trying to find the, oh, and then it comes in this case, and it's a little small case, and you're probably wondering why this case is so small. It's because these glasses are foldable, and these are actually one of my favorite types of glasses, folding over glasses, because it is compact and you could put it inside this little small container. Comes with a little cleaning wipe too, and so yeah, then you just zip it up. And this is actually a new thing from them. It's like a little keychain, and I actually have one of their older ones, but it kind of connects to your arm. But anyways, I love this, love that, and I just throw it in my bag. It's a hard shell. So yeah, so those are the two pieces I couldn't wait to wear. One more I'll show you that I couldn't wait to wear either is this piece. This is the second time I actually got this item. It is a tank top with a built-in bra, and it is adjustable, as you can see. Love the tan color. Has their Beneunder logo, and then also has some, like, you know, some texture on it. But I like it because it's a built-in bra, and it's not one of the ones that you actually, the pads get removed. And I don't actually like wearing bras very often when I work out. Sports bras are fine, but they're not comfortable. And when I go hiking, sometimes I don't know. I love to like have built-in bras a lot. For me, it's very, very comfortable and very practical. So skiing, like if I'm layering it underneath like this, or also hiking and then layering with some jackets, which I'll show you. But this is definitely my favorite piece from them because I am the type of built-in bra is very, very well made. So love this. And then also with the packaging, I love how when it came in, it had like little like circular little air bubbles, and so it didn't like get bent on shipping. So I really like that the padded part was supported. So love that. Okay. Now for the most exciting part for me, I didn't wear this because I wanted to open it up with you guys, but it is a purse. Excited. It's actually very different than what I normally wear, but I like it because I want some pop of color for springtime. So here it is. Can you see it? And this is one of their purses. They actually have a backpack on there, and I kind of want it. So it comes like this, and it looks so small, but actually it's expandable. This bag is so lightweight. I saw it on the website, and I couldn't wait to open it with you guys. I'm so excited because you guys know that I have a lot of, like, you know, dress up purses, but I don't have very many casual like hiking purses or like sporty purses, and my lifestyle here, like I said, is very outdoorsy. So this is it. It comes with this like cool like strap like this, green. They have all different kinds of color and gray. And then inside is this little drawstring, and it says Beneunder underneath. And then also right here, I forgot to tell you guys, has Beneunder all across it. And so what they mean by expandable is like this can be popped out, and then it's like a drawstring situation. You can fit more things in it, but also it can open it and then even carry more things. But I really love how lightweight it is. And let me actually take off these tags. Yeah, so I have it cut off like this. It's so cute. And I think this is gonna be perfect for spring and summer, and perfect. Well, actually, let's just try it on real quick, and then we'll put some stuff in it. But I love it because it's, I think this material is kind of like nylon-y, but stronger. I don't know, or like parachute material. So I think it's gonna look so cute with my outfit. Let's see, is this adjustable? Oh yeah, so it is adjustable. You pull a little bit up on this strap, and I love how it's like kind of like a bungee cord. Yes, this is so cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like on Crossbody, like so. I think it's so adorable. I think I'm gonna pull it up a little bit more and make it tighter, and then I guess you can just tie it like this. Yeah, so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, let's see what fits inside real quick. I actually have today, this past week, I've been wearing my vintage Chanel, my vintage Gucci bag, Ophidia bag. And so you guys know how like actually pretty small this bag is too. And so look how tiny this is. It's not fully organized. And I actually have this bag as well that I have been carrying this whole like 2 weeks. So it has a lot of my stuff in here and some of my stuff in here. So we're just kind of gonna go together and like transfer things over into this bag and then show you how much can fit really, really quickly. So I'm just gonna open it up And then I have my my very stuffed Chanel wallet bag that I've been wearing forever. And then I think I'm going to, every time I go hiking stuff, I have to have a snack. So I have a little fig bar. And then I have this really cool pen. I always think it's really nice to have like a company to have nice pens. So this is a white and gold pen I got from a company. And then let's see, oh, let's put the Beneunder sunglass case in there as well. And as you can see, even though it's quite stuffed, I think it's so cute how this like little green part pops out. Love it. Athletic wear mini bag. And I have a few more things. I have my little makeup bag in here, but I don't think that's gonna fit. And then we'll just put some gum. We'll put some gum. And then I love this NYX Duck Plump. And then this EOS, what is it called? Hand sanitizer. And we're just gonna put tons of stuff in here. This bag feels so light. And now I think it's quite, like it has a lot of stuff in it. It even says you can put a water bottle in it as well. But absolutely love this. So I'm gonna wear this today. It's perfect to go hiking because it's so lightweight, but also it's just like perfect to wear around town. So yeah, I think this is gonna look really cute together. I'm wearing a lot of neutrals, and then this will be like my little pop of color for spring. So there was one that I actually wanted. I think it was brown and a different color, but gray and green is definitely, I'm liking this. So yeah, so I have another thing in my bag that I will show you guys that's definitely not gonna fit inside this little tiny bag. Well, it could actually, but we're just gonna leave it as is, like so. And so that is my bag. I love it. What do you guys think? And actually it's quite affordable too. It was only, I believe, $45, but don't quote me. I'll link it, everything down below. And actually, I forgot to mention earlier, I do have a coupon code for you guys. So I will put that right here, and also I will put it in the description box. So I just got back from playing pickleball, and I wanted to show you guys something really quick inside here. I forgot to show you, also inside there's 2 pockets. So right here is empty. I'm probably gonna put the chapstick in there. And then the other side has some cash. So there's 2 pockets inside. So I love that it's not just like a purse and empty box or empty bag. It has like actually 2 compartments in the back. So yeah, very, very cute. So moving on, because we did the big unboxing, I only have 2 more things to show you guys, and I highly, highly recommend this company. It's actually my favorite sportswear company. It's actually all I wear for sportswear, or I'll go to like Dick's, or sometimes I'll get things from Target, or sometimes I'll get things from, actually this is all really the activewear that I wear. So here I have another bra in built-in bra tank top. This one, you actually can remove the padding. Yeah, so this one's a little different. I haven't worn this one, but you can remove the padding on these little side slits. And what's cool about this one is that you can adjust the straps. They're crisscross, but you can, wait, can you adjust these straps? Oh no, so this one you cannot adjust the straps. But I forgot, with this one, you can adjust the straps inside. There's like little areas that you can unhook the built-in, the straps from the built-in bra top. So like it. This one's very, very thin and very smooth material. So it's gonna be very breathable and UV protection as well. And so with that, you'll put on this last thing that I got from Beneunder. And I really like it because it is supposed to be tear resistant, it's stretchy, and there's many different colors. Also, it's UV protection like 99%. And I love this blue color, but my favorite thing about it, of course, is always like the little holes on the side, and I'll put all the sizing down below. I used to be a size medium, but now I've lost a lot of weight, so I actually ordered size small. So now I'm size small and size 4. So my favorite thing that I was going to tell you about this jacket is, yes, it has this part right here, but there's a little hole in the back of the hood, but you can pop your ponytail out to the back of the hood. And I really like this color, stretchy, breathable, and perfect for hiking, but also like perfect for just wearing around town or going to play pickleball for spring. It zips all the way up too. So if you want to get your neck protection from like any wind or sun elements. And that's why I really like this company a lot, is just because everything is about protecting you from the elements, because they know people like to go hiking and go camping and everything. And it's nice to, you know, have some sun protection if you're out in the sun all day. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul from Beneunder. That was my spring haul. I am very much considering, because I know you guys are purse lovers out there, I'm really considering ordering this backpack, because I no longer have my Prada nylon backpack that actually, yeah, I miss that mini backpack. But I'm thinking I might order this backpack in pink, because that's supposed to be a super popular color in spring. And so for now, I'm gonna enjoy this bag and let me know what you guys think. Isn't this the cutest, most like athletic but girly? I even feel like it suits like Colorado. So yes, that is it, guys. Be sure to check out their website. I'll leave everything in the description box. And also I have a coupon. Feel free to use that. I highly recommend it. And if you guys order from them, let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love them. I've been wearing their clothes for about 2 years now. A year and a half. Yeah, and essentially they're pretty much all the workout clothes that I wear. So yeah, anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this, and thank you again for watching my video. I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.